52. In 1 John chapter 4, verse 12, we see that no man has seen God. But earlier in that chapter, we see that God is love. This means that one of the most important things we can ever do is to allow God to show his love through us. But this raises a very interesting question. Just what exactly is this love? What does this love look like? Also in 1 John chapter 4, you'll read, if any man has what this world considers to be good, but they don't share it with their brother that they can see is in need, then the love of God is not in them. This is why in Matthew 25, Jesus could say, when I was hungry, you fed me. Thirsty, you gave me a drink. I needed clothes and you clothed me. I needed shelter and you brought me in. When I was in prison, you visited me. The righteous will say, well, when did these things happen? Jesus says, whatever you've done to the least of them, you've done to me. Because the love of God is not simply in words, but we show it, we display it through our actions. Thank you, Group 52. Love well this week and for the rest of your life, and have the best week of your life.